Support for this podcast comes from Citrix, offering GoToMeeting, an online meeting tool for bringing people together when they are working remotely. Learn more at gotomeeting.com, promo code BUSINESS.
From NPR News in Washington, I'm Jim Howard. It is quickly ranking as one of the deadliest outbreaks of violent weather in nearly 40 years. Storms ripped across the South, leaving people dead. The sound of chainsaws can be heard in communities throughout the South as crews are searching for splintered homes, clearing down trees and power lines. In one Tuscaloosa, Alabama neighborhood, homes are without roofs, and certain belongings are scattered throughout the yards and streets. The University of Alabama campus serious damage. Later today, President Obama will announce a reshuffling of his national security team. Spokesperson for CIA Director Leon Panetta will be moving to the Pentagon to take over Robert Gates, who is retired.
Gates, who's been defense secretary since the latter part of the Bush administration, wants to step down this summer. The president has been urging Panetta to take over the job, and after some gentle persuasion, Panetta agreed on Monday. As defense secretary, Panetta would be tasked with the beginning of a troop withdrawal from Afghanistan, along with continued cuts in the military budget. Mr. Obama wants David Petraeus, the commander of U.S. forces in Afghanistan, to take over Panetta's job as head of the intelligence agency. All of the moves are subject to Senate confirmation. Scott Horsley, NPR News, Washington.
And the Obama administration is proposing to increase the number of waterways and wetlands protected by the federal government. NPR's Elizabeth Shogan reports the new policy comes after years of controversy over which streams, wetlands, and ponds should be considered waters of the U.S.
The proposal would replace Bush administration policy interpreting two Supreme Court cases. Those cases limited the wetlands and streams protected by the Clean Water Act. The new proposal would direct federal officials to protect streams that run only part of the year.